Merry Christmas to you. It's Christmas Day here in beautiful suburban Chicago. And I do wish every one of you out there a Merry Christmas. Today we're painting. Of course, it's me, Larry, and this is, of course, the BrushFalls Studio YouTube channel. So today we're going to have some fun. I've got me a repurposed canvas here. I'm going to put some black on here because we don't want to see any of that when we're done. And I got 6 colors all lined up. Shall we go to the canvas and see what we got? So we're going to start with Artist Loft Metallic Red, Artist Loft Orange, Amsterdam Primary Yellow, Artist Loft Metallic Green. This is a new one. This is
Essentials. Dark violet.
Dark cobalt violet.
Pretty.
And then Artist Loft Ultramarine Blue. All mixed with this is our thicker pouring medium. It's got twice the glue that we were using before. Seems like we get better results with it, so we're going to go with that for a while. Let's get painting. Okay, time to get Mr. Hairdryer out and see what we come up with. So with that, we're done here. This actually turned out really cool. I was a little bit concerned about the color mix, especially going with purples and the reds and the orange kind of gives you a little fiery feel to it, and then you get the coolness from the blues and the greens coming through the middle. And the colors really pop off the black backgrounds. And I'm liking it more and more and more as we go. So with that, if you so if you like what we've done here, please like and subscribe and leave me a comment and tell me what you think. That'll say Merry Christmas again, and thank you for watching. Bye!